We've been here for hours now, and police still have a home surrounded just north of us near the U.S. Mail facility off I-70. Police have called this a crazy and chaotic day, and this is where it all came to an end. Take a look at this video from earlier, right when we arrived. Police were searching for an expedition that they say rammed two police cars after the fugitive apprehension team stopped it up at Indiana and Roberts, looking for someone with a felony warrant. Now, at that time, one officer shot at the car, hitting the driver, but they took off. And we first showed up here, there were still a lot of police cars just driving around looking for that expedition. They eventually found it here at 20th and Askew. Police drew rifles, running through the woods, surrounding the area, eventually tracked that suspect to a home here, and he finally came out, got taken away in an ambulance, and we're told is in fair condition. We're also told by police that officers just waiting for a search warrant at this point to go inside that home. But fortunately, through this whole thing, through that chaos, no officers were hurt, nobody in the community hurt, and again, that suspect in fair condition at the hospital. Reporting live in Kansas City, William Joy, KMBC 9.